Welcome to HortTube. My name is Jim Putnam. This is the Subscriber Sunday video that I put up the first Sunday of every month. It includes photos from subscribers who send me photos of something in their yard that they're proud of in their landscape. If you want to send photos to this video each month, use this email address right here. Just include subscriber pics or something like that in the title of the email so that I can differentiate them in my email each month. I had quite a few of them over the course of the last month, and they're at the end of the video. Normally I have some photos that I take, and I just didn't have, I haven't had time to put them on this video and label them this week. Just has been a busy week. I was actually down in Alvaretta, Georgia, and Snellville, Georgia the last few days, and met a lot of you. Thank you for making the trip over. Really exciting. I got a great group of people subscribed to this channel and watching these videos, and so it was really nice to see you and meet you there. And then down in Louisiana the week before that. I'll do more of these in the future. For now, I'm home for a few weeks, and I'm kind of excited about that. I got a vegetable garden and all kinds of things to work on here, and video work to do and editing to catch up on. So I'm kind of excited to be home. But it was great to meet the folks that came out and met me. One other thing I want to point out is that if you use the links in the bottom of my videos, where I use some Amazon links to, if I show you something in a video, if you purchase something from using one of my links, I get a small percentage of that sale. And it doesn't cost you any more on Amazon. Anything that I make on Amazon, I typically will just put right back into the channel. You know, I'll buy something that is needed, or something that I need to show you, that kind of thing. So I appreciate anybody who uses those links at the bottom of the videos. Okay, now everybody's tuned into this for the plantsbymail.com giveaway. I have in this bowl a Zone 5, Zone 6, Zone 7, Zone 8, and Zone 9 winner from Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. And I use that random comment picker. If you've watched me do these giveaways before, I use a random comment picker. And I just kept running it until I got a 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 winner from each of them. There are not a lot of Zone 5 participants, so it took a while to find the Zone 5 participants. But this is the, if you didn't watch that video, I'll link it right up here in the corner. It's too late to participate in it now, but it was a pretty good video. Plants by Mail sent me some plants here, and they're giving away those plants to, if you're watching this video and you hadn't watched that one, to folks in each of those zones 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And I'm going to pull the winners now and stop talking. So like I say, I have one from each of the 3 platforms in here. I'm just going to pull these until I have a winner from each of the 5 zones. And the first one is from YouTube, and it's Alan Ash. That's our Zone 6 winner, was a YouTube comment. Okay, our next one, we got our Zone 5 winner. Oh, and it's another YouTube winner. It's actually Grumpy Cat. She comments quite a bit. I'm always excited when it's somebody that I recognize and have been with us here for a long time. Let's see. Okay, Facebook, the Zone 8 winner is from Facebook, and it's Barbara Brandstetter. That's our Zone 8 winner. Okay, so now we need a 7 and a 9. We'll just pull until we get them. Okay. Oh, I got the 9. So this is also a Facebook winner. This is Jennifer Darnell. That's our Zone 9 winner. So now we need a 7 where I live, which was probably the most participants. Let's see. Oh man, look at this. Okay, so the Zone 7 winner, I went 5 for 5. The Zone 7 winner was from Instagram, and it's West LD24. So if the 5 winners will just email me at that same email address, that horttube@gmail.com address, and go ahead and include your address in that, and I'll get that to Plants by Mail, and they'll get the plants out to you. Thanks everyone for participating. This was a wildly popular giveaway, and hopefully I will hook up with them again very soon and do the same exact giveaway. I enjoyed shooting that video. I didn't know what was in those boxes, so that was pretty exciting. Congratulations to the winners, and thanks to plantsbymail.com for doing this, and here are the subscriber photos.